Add 3/4 plus 2/4. When adding fractions, you need to make sure that the denominators are the same. Well, they are. So what you do when that happens is you add the numerators together. 3 plus 2 is 5, and keep the denominator as 4, so 5/4. The issue that we have here is this is an improper fraction, and I want to turn it into a mixed number. So we're going to see how many times 4 goes into 5 and do long division. So 4 does go into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And so you get a remainder of 1. Now when we set up our mixed number, the quotient of 1 is going to be our whole number. The remainder of 1 is going to be our numerator, and the denominator that used to be 4 is still going to be 4. So 3/4 plus 2/4 becomes 5/4 as an improper fraction, and then 1 and 1/4 as a mixed number.